Hey there, Facebook enthusiasts, want to know how to create a successful Facebook group in 2024? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to share some valuable tips and tricks with you. Facebook groups have become a powerful tool for connecting people with shared interests. Whether you're passionate about cooking, fitness, or gaming, there's a group out there for you. In this video, we'll explore how you can create a thriving Facebook group in 2024. Presentation of problem/challenge. One of the biggest challenges group admins face is standing out among the sea of Facebook groups and attracting active members. With so many groups vying for attention, how can you make yours stand out? Exploration/development. To tackle this challenge, you need to dive deep into strategies that will set your group apart. Start by defining your group's niche, what makes it unique. Next, focus on creating engaging content that will keep members coming back for more. Finally, foster a sense of community within your group to make members feel like they belong. Climax/key moment. Now, here comes the key moment, the secret sauce to growing a thriving Facebook group in 2024. The key is consistency. Consistently engage with your members. Post relevant content regularly, and listen to their feedback. Building a successful Facebook group is a marathon, not a sprint. Conclusion/summary. To sum it up, creating a successful Facebook group in 2024 requires defining your niche, creating engaging content, fostering a sense of community, and staying consistent. By following these essential steps, you can build a thriving online community that makes a real impact. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips on growing your Facebook group, and don't forget to share your own success stories in the comments below. Let's support each other in creating amazing Facebook groups in 2024.